The following drivers will enter the following drivers. No! The drones are coming through the drivers. Where are our portals?
I believe the drivers are dead.
Destroy all.
Oh, I just fucked up my throat.
Wake up. The drivers are waiting for you in the conference room, Dr. Tesla.
I don't know. The drones have exactly 2 Acceleracers. I do know we have exactly 1. You will take those 2 Acceleracers into the realms with you. You will use them to complete more Acceleracers. You will take those realms. You will use the realms to complete more Acceleracers. And you'll use Sid.
Hey! It's that wheel.
Dr. Tesla has engineered the drone technology and made new drones. The tires can morph into 8 different tires.
I'm also ready to equip every EDR device with a car. The EDR allows a driver in an emergent realm to escape from his car immediately without a driver.
The Deku don't drive.
Vert. Are you looking for a fight?
I am.
It's too bad, Kadeem. Remember Kadeem?
We all wish we could rescue Kadeem, Vert. But we can't go back into the realm where he was trapped.
The important thing now is to stop the Teku from getting more Acceleracers. I'd care if a driver is Teku.
You've got the best. We can take the Teku. Let's...
The drivers are ready. Now what about your cars?
Hey, how you doing?
Immersed in water twice.
Who said anything about me?
What are your orders?
Huh?
It thinks you're Galorum.
What are you doing here?
Just curious. From one side, anyway. I heard Gig had reactivated the drone that came through the portal with Vert. From one side, anyway. You know, you do look like Galorum. I didn't know Tesla was remarkable, Roseanne. I just knew I didn't trust Tesla. From one side, anyway. I still don't. From one remarkable resemblance. Not entirely.
Maybe you just have trouble trusting you. Maybe you think they're all like people.
It really is a remarkable resemblance. Not entirely.
Who needs headlights? Look out!
No!
I'm all right.
What about the Acceleracharger?
No problem.
No! Just what is it the drones are going to do if they get them all?
No! The more I study it, the less I understand.
We got pork chop.
Over here! Turn that noise down!
You maniacs afraid of little maniacs?
Maniacs ain't afraid of nothing.
This is a water realm.
Come on now, pork chop. It's good. It's all good.
Can you hear me, pork chop? Pork chop, can you hear me? Push the DER!
Metal maniacs ain't afraid of nothing.
Are you sure about that?
Metal maniacs ain't afraid of metal maniacs.
Especially not scrap like you. You think you could think... Little brother? Yeah. I learned how in prison!
The following drivers will enter the realm. Taros Katati, Komoto, Shirako Tak, Diesel Riggs.
It's...
Diesel Riggs.
Yeah!
Diesel Riggs.
Curious, isn't it?
Nolo can't forgive his brother, and Mark Wilde can't forget his. Drivers with Acceleracers should be especially careful. You will do nothing to endanger nothing.
Hey, Otaro! Ken! Hey, Otaro! Ken!
Got it, Shirako. Shirako?
Are you ready for the race of a lifetime?
So no, he can't.
As soon as you... What's happening? Bert, we can't see anything.
I can't tell where we are. We're underwater.
So, how's it going?
Learn to keep your speed up when running on water.
I should have brought my board.
What's happening?
Are you ready for the race of a lifetime?
You have to keep your speed up, Pork Chop.
Pork chop, what are you doing? Can you hear me, pork chop? Can you hear me? Push the DER!
That's our ED.
Just it!
We've lost the signal.
And the driver.
Pork chop!